Hey guys, Erica with K here. Today's video is going to be on my hair. Sometimes I feel like I'm like so emo, and then when I try to push it back, I have like 3 hairs on my head. It feels so weird. But anyway, today's video is going to be on what I brought with me on my cruise and the products that I exclusively used. Now, many of you guys know I probably sound like a broken record that I am using up all the things in my Project Pan because they are not cruelty-free, and my brand now is cruelty-free. So I think almost every product that I use in this video is not cruelty-free, but just know it's because it's in my Project Pan. I'm trying to get rid of it without being wasteful and all that stuff. And this is what I brought with me on my cruise, and this is what I used every day on my cruise when we went out to dinner or when we went out at night after the pool and everything like that. I do want to say I did bring 2 different concealers with me and a little bit of a darker foundation just in case I got a huge tan when we were there. But I did wear SPF 100, and we did get an umbrella when we were on the beach, so I did not get a big tan at all, so it was not necessary. But in life, if you're gonna get a tan, you're probably gonna have to change your foundation and your concealer, and you might even feel like you wanna change your eyeshadow colors because sometimes it contradicts or doesn't look as good on certain skin tones as it does on others. So that's just a little bit of a heads up, but this is what I brought. This is pretty much how I wore my makeup every day once we went out for night, and it's the look that I'm wearing today. If you guys want to see how I got this eye look, I will link that video below. It is with my Too Faced Chocolate Bonbon palette, of course, and this was the eye look that I wore on my cruise pretty much every day too, so you can get kind of the whole look going on that I wore on my cruise every day. So I hope you guys like this video. Thank you so much for your love and support. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Until next time, work hard, dream big, eat cake. Thanks guys, love you, bye.